Ebusia eba na eye embenfo se yenke no achi ase agro na ede was yenke no use agobone pa. Dr. Frank Amakohene Ashanti Regional Minister wako award onu ankasa ni nua panyini Best Farmer Award ni Ashanti overall Best Farmer Award no or the ama onua panyini ama the confusion kese abesi NDC party we tell say this is pure nepotism. Memo nchiremu no atere wa adwen ama me e wo comment section aha Penyah block media me say say ni di mo obe like video no other man put subscribe button snap click notification icon for latest updates na ba chere wa adwen dia ma me e wo comment section so ba so no share for so anya bi ahwe you know in Ghana here there be am can say me say NDC for accepting a very bad precedent bia ebe ha wo mu in a way say yenyina okrom ha no mo Akufo-Addo eba Jankroma ebie ensuomunam restaurant Akufo-Addo enya meye Ghana mampanyin na wa bobra de enti kura Ghana for ho eso de to abama Akufo-Addo ba ko ne say ne papa be bobra sebe nese be bobra nese na nse nya kwase ampanyin sa sebe na nese nya kwase ampanyin o be bobra eti Akufo-Addo woni bibidi edi Ghana fo nya adwum say oh ena Akufo-Addo ento man because o woni sika dada o me for man sika enya hwe Akufo-Addo abobra abobra but neba ozakura be di ade 4 years achi 2021 Akufo-Addo ba Jankroma ekobie restaurant keke eni was yenya wo mu na omumu Akufo-Addo ne ba na sedua mu Akufo-Addo ba de nya zika wo hene ene ekobie restaurant common restaurant Chief Justice Gertrude Arabatok no edi ni kunu atukwai eno ebeye solid ground say yemfa mpamo no ade a odo man ni sika na di ni kunu atukwai miwa common teachers kra Ghana ha etimi do muma fly abroad just teachers omu aketua 5,000 7,000 common teachers ebitimi do muma tukwai kwa mono ne but the whole chief justice edi ni kunu tukwai it became a solid ground say yemfa enyi na di emama mi ede wotifie just esa any se betwa to no o betwa se bi se ohun nipa bi eye politics ya musu oyefo nyaw na omunya akonwa omunwe ne power obe onya appointment ya ene so free so a ye wadwene se he masa yekuba invite because oteso no usi fie ba ko pe kura na ga say hey obusuani eye ebe ye minister otamsika o mesika ma ni pastor si fie ye be invite so sabone no and this betwa to because omu chere say MPP appointees no obia be wi o man sika is obia ye hu say nipa we our printing press kra yes o do man sika as if say na o ye minister na entua neka o wa twa sabone ga to na ye be kan wasem later onim say Friday no ana Ghana celebrity farmers e wo Ghana hanum e me no kra na assemble because yes celebrity farmers day na a whole cocoa board CEO Dr. Abe Randy Abe the only Ghana kohwebo welcome just only we free Ghana hako e ma no kran media no so amanfo e komo agent trend but e say ba komo no so family celebration no ona efe na ye di nyina kopie mu e wo Asante Mampon municipality e ho na kopie mu overall best farmer award in Ashanti region e ho and of course e me ho kra no na nananom atenankunya nananom e wo ho no mo you know Mampon hima na owo ho friend ntuma de tu atata kama body charge out kama that na onkwaso pia na owo asie bi as na program no ekoso na hono no ene ko hunu se Dr. Frank Amakohene a oye Ashanti Regional Minister on wan kasa ni bra panyini aye friend no Dada Alex ono ana onya overall best farmer award no in Mampon municipality say the whole of Ashanti region ono enya overall best farmer award etina me buya say ene 2024 no kra hwan na we ne ono na we ne ye ana bi wo say no da bi 2024 nyo na we ne ye 2024 no enyo na we ne ye ewom ese Dada Alex obo no homode ebe kwaye mu a obo adwuma a wo se fata that abodi na de man no odi ese efata ese ye de man no but here's the case here eyeda na ne bra ketua onua ketua ebe ye just regional minister dan say no wa we ne last year no ho wa anwe ne eyeda ana 2025 year ne bra ebe ye Ashanti regional minister no first award aye no farmers award aye no or the amani bra penyini what they say or the money bra penny conflict of interest no starting nepotism no started or the money bra penny eno ana media na so TikTok gender minister our NDC ni pro NDC communicator our TikTok obe blast Ashanti Regional minister.
As a political TikToker or somebody that I do a lot of my TikTok videos on politics, you see, I'm as an NDC supporter who always speaks the truth to power without mincing words, and then TikTok so I'm a credibility in the modern man. I have a lot of inbox. I've seen a lot of tags about this Mampong Municipal Best Farmer Award. As a TikToker who campaigned for the NDC party, that I campaigned against the nepotism and cronyism during the Akufo-Addo administration, where the cousin was the Minister of Finance, where the cousins to like Omani cousins key position in the administration now me criticize it, this one made me end so because NDC is a new government. We are 10 months or 11 months in power now, and then if the best farmer from Mampo Municipal happens to be the elder brother of the regional minister, I would say that it is also nepotism and cronyism, which we had campaigned against. Yadiya campaign during NPP administration. You see, the government is too young. Yes, nobody is doubting the fact, and that's what Obinka said. The Mampo Municipal Best Farmer or your farmer there. At the end of Sisia, and the brother be a regional minister, and you have the best farmer of Mampo Municipal. That's all free municipality and never regional, or free regional and never national best farmer and assassin. You see, let us look at criteria when they select or no being the best farmer. And so much I say MPP time no, I want man for almost politicizing and for the past 8 years no, or man nominating him po that person. Wabaya baby best for I'm here you over Robbie first runner up, second runner up, third runner up. You see, what my do I'm call last year now when you first runner up, second runner up, third runner up. They nominate him. I'm going to share the muse or maybe be best farmers now. NDC is now becoming attractive in Ashanti region. NDC no Ashanti for G2. CC shaky as a left and right. Yes, swing you Ashanti region, but we will get there. Now see Ashanti here nepotism no cronies in say ya. Who say ordinary Ashanti and as ordinary citizens no Ashanti region. Obe lose hope. I'm a NDC. And Obeka said the MPP for year listen for more and then we be na mobabe. Men can't so deserve you, but it's too early. Because first regional best farmers day. Now regional minister, the municipality are free no. The brother na be best farmer. It's too early. Well, can be a crime and be our fourth time and also third time, you know. My first one community is a clear display of the nepotism and cronyism, which are NDC for no. We campaigned against it. This is a no. My regional minister, Oche a boy for well the democracy hub guy yeah, Ochini. Make I say next year I watching because in chat to swear in a criminal in chat to swear. And I still see the court. My regional minister made the no. And it's why I didn't say as a citizen I mean a spectator. I also make a chance say a 100 year regional minister. Maybe I don't buy it, and people are talking about it, especially Mampo municipality. And the kind of messages that I have received in my inbox, make us be canning now. I be to say, but one say I have no. You said then you Ashanti regional minister, man in charge 4 years in here, any year that. Now me per se 4 years no near. Send your bear that be the campaign 2028. Who watch 4 years in the end, the other but the air can. They are all coming out to you soon. Into your born who buy so much 4 years into a dear Pia, a Bemaya Casa, and a bit shaky integrity. Mr. Regional Minister, Mr. No doctor, and yes, I do wait and tray Miana Mecca.
Oh, yeah, no. Anna Sameba Ike. Our quarter of Suni Munyansam. I say we see our own Swanyansa, nobody can quasi ourselves now from unity, nobody can Jimmysem. Sameba Ike, everybody can quasi ourselves. Actually, TikTok gender minister, all NDC.
Talks about this Mampo Municipal Best Farmer Award. As
a TikTok gender minister, my sister, for this one day, I disagree with you. You are a very brilliant lady. Oh, yeah, they obey to me. You are doing your best. You are a very good communicator. I cannot take it away from you. But, so Obeka said, Dr. Frank Amwakwene orchestrated the Best Farmer Awards in Mampong. For that election here, that means Charlie over the bar. First of all, I mean, Mr. That election, Unimno, have you had any encounter with him? Do you even know the person you are talking about? Unimno. You don't even know the person you are talking about. Let's assume all us, be okay, Dr. Frank Amakwini is senior brother, fine. But do you know the person you are talking about? And do you know how many years this man has been a farmer? Animal farming and crop farming. Do you know? No. But you quickly jump to conclusion. Say, minister, anti-cronism, nepotism. Look at the way you are betraying the party. You are betraying the minister. Sure? Some of the issues is like, Obia cannot grow, Obia cannot grow. No, it's not like that. I boldly disagree with what you did. And I think that Alex, it deserves 100,000%. And if you think you have anybody who qualifies more than that Alex, Fanny Panebra. If you think there is somebody who qualifies better than that Alexa, Fasani Panebra, you don't do this to your own. I know the bitterness. Some of us, we are not happy how the system is treating us, but we've just decided to go quiet. But these kind of allegations are very wild, and I think I will not accept it. I will not accept this.
And then there was a TikTok gender minister, Asaberry plus Sameba Ike.
Sameba Ike, I've seen you stitched my video. Meaning, say, who taking me out of context, so you didn't get what I was trying to say. Me some reading in and say, because say regional minister, and the first time, all your families there, what was still on the constituency one. Send a brother, no, it is a poor. As a political party, the foundation, yet Congress. We believe in Congress. We believe in helping people. Not any senka, whatever the elder brother, even if he deserves it. I was here share upon so for anything every. Can the first time we are hosting, and the man will be the second time and answer the third time. No, now one the brother no. Now, but I won't send the brother no. Why you nominate pain? You are nominating it. Say, agriculture, then district assembly one. You are nominating a pen. This is the first time you're nominating. You're nominating will be fourth time. Will be nomination. This is the third time the person is being nominated. First runner up, second runner up, third runner up. You have been nominating. No, this year yeah near the best farmer area. Aman. Me I school at Mampo. My grandpa comes from Mampo. Me I don't jump on issues to talk about issues like that. Me my voice of the voiceless. As some area on Crawford. Or more by me inbox more calm. Me when it's some more case no. And no na me become master. I am not better. No, I am working. I am an employed teacher. And I'm working, and at least I have a supportive boyfriend. My family is very supportive. And yes, Abia, no. Me, I'm not bitter. There is no bitterness. Whatever the system is, contentment. And just to make us say, I don't have any problem with anybody. The regional minister when I need me, I'm going to so, and yes, the old person can say, many of them are simply an assassin in dinner cry. But like I said, nepotism and cronism. By elections 2024 elections. We complain about how NPP for politicized BBA, our family and friends. If the elder brother of the regional minister should be the best farmer, the first time the regional minister is organizing the farmers there, Charlie, you better say nepotism. We cried. I saw a host and win. See, I dare you preaching against no. You shouldn't practice it.
I was in for me and show video that's in my name and
who stadium so nipa phone go on go party me who obi an who fair just want to say we who the tin so a ne nanya ne konwa na no fia na no nya fia ne mafu kese o ma say nan Ofu Kevin Ekobedu Taylor. And on quite the cancer oboa. You and I know, say, MPP party, or promo more fair, or more mucha, tintia, tietia, cocoa, tuntuma, MPP party. A MPP party. One casa munipa, and I'm more penny drum, hammer or kind. Or say I quite say MPP party need their lawyer for near cratch for party and NDC for party ni and kwasia for doors what to say who Kevin Taylor and a mugum. I said in Katiaso Becas and kwasia for me to say who Kevin Taylor near do pay to me. Who be the MPP for them? Bema wona wo ma me ya na djuma wo boase gas line. bema wo anadwuma mu na wo maame de nyem wo woni mo papa enti meme efiri sa me nyate sa asem ne o ka asem bi enhye dan ha me because wo woni papa obi papa ena wo de na ye wo papa sa wo hene na wo se ye wo papa nya wo papa o maame no anadwuma na no wo ye wa anya kunu onyem wo Kevin Ekobedu Taylor o maame anya kunu ofui kwasia bema wo no fo atiegu wo hwa so bema wo no fo atiegu wo hwa so ya bobrazia na wo na mana wo no fo wo so no fo atiegu o nipa giant se Kevin Ekobedu Taylor ofui wafunu kutu se ebinim ntropo abua bema oyiane a wo kire nti omo broni bi kodi wutrum wa confidence hotel e wo obo ase meboa ka kire mse meboa yankodi wutrum Kevin Ekobedu Taylor ye kodi wutrum abrabo ye bona nka wo betena me bema te sonke ya kodi wutrum
we have a serious confusion in NDC. Chira wa gwe mame e wo comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media. Agra.